2015 VW Upmove, which is going for 87,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 1,940 per month. It has 143,200 kilometers on the clock. This VW has a 1-liter engine producing 90 kilowatts of power and 200 newton meters of torque. With 5-speed manual transmission, you're also getting a 4.6 liters per 100 kilometers with fuel tank capacity of 35 liters. So the Dakar report of this car says this car has a damaged stabilizer, CV joints, boost, front rear, inner and outer damage, rear service and parking brakes out of legal range. So when it comes to the interior, there's nothing major there. The interior, it is very old, man, as you can see there. But you're getting your 5 seats there. Your infotainment system is there. You just need to fix few things on this car, as you can see there. It also torn, but the condition of this car, it is still okay outside. Yeah, what do you think about this car?